This is a Tongan Made production.
She runs around and tell her friends that I'm her man, but she don't understand we ain't official yet. Take it easy, yeah. Baby, take it easy, yeah, yeah. She runs around and tell her friends that I'm her man. Oh, hell no. I hit her with this line and tell her that we might be cousins. Oh, you a fool. She don't even know that I don't know her first and last name. What was her name again? So I don't even know why she wants me to be her baby. Man, you better cut that out. She runs around and tell her friends that I'm her man, but she don't understand we ain't official yet. Take it easy, yeah. Baby, take it easy, yeah, yeah. She had asked me why I'm acting this way. I don't know, you tell me. I had told her that she's driving me insane. Man, I swear. So you need to pack your stuff and be on your way. See ya. Cause your mama called my mama yesterday. Man, that's messed up. She runs around and tell her friends that I'm her man, but she don't understand we ain't official yet. Take it easy, yeah. Baby, take it easy, yeah, yeah. Early morning, I heard knocking on my door. Yeah, who is it, man? I looked out and seen 5-0 on my porch. Oh, what's up? How you doing, officer? He had asked me where were you last night. Man, I was over here sleeping. Cause your girlfriend said you beat her last night. This chick is crazy. She runs around and